Hey, PayPal users! Ever wondered if you can receive money with just a regular PayPal account? Well, I've got the answers for you. First things first, the short answer is yes. All PayPal accounts, whether personal or business, allow you to send and receive payments. Let's break it down. If you've got a personal PayPal account, you can receive money from anyone with an email address. It's super simple. Friends, family, clients, or even customers can send you funds directly to your PayPal. And here's the cool part. You don't need any special settings or permissions. Just share your email address linked to your PayPal account, and you're good to go. When someone sends you money, you'll get an email notification. From there, you can transfer the money to your bank account, use it to shop online, or keep it in your PayPal balance. Now, if you're using PayPal for business, you might want to look into a business account. While personal accounts are great for everyday use, a business account offers additional features like invoicing, customer support, and detailed transaction records. But remember, even with a regular PayPal account, you can still receive payments for goods and services. Just be sure to follow PayPal's guidelines to avoid any issues. So there you have it. Receiving money with a regular PayPal account is straightforward and hassle-free. Just make sure your email is correct and you're all set. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more tips. See you next time.